Managing comments in WordPress. This tutorial will show you how to manage comments in WordPress. WordPress has the ability for users to add comments to the posts you make. First, let's add a comment as a regular subscriber. Click the No Comments link. We have WordPress configured to not allow anonymous users to add comments. This is a common configuration to avoid comment abuse. Click the Logged In link. Enter the username. Enter the password. Click the Login button. Enter the comment. Click the Submit Comment button. Since we're logged in as a regular subscriber, our comment will not be seen publicly until it is approved by an admin. Let's now log out and then back in as the admin. Click the Log Out link. Click the Logged In link. Enter the username. Enter the password. Click the Login button. Now let's add a comment as the admin. Enter the comment. Click the Submit Comment button. Since we are logged in as the admin, our comment is automatically approved and will be seen publicly. Now let's go back to the admin panel and learn how to manage comments. Click the Comments section. Next, let's approve a comment. Click the checkbox. Select Approve from the menu. Click the Apply button. Now let's unapprove one. Click the checkbox. Select Unapprove from the menu. Click the Apply button. We can also mark on one as spam. Click the checkbox. Select Mark as Spam from the menu. Click the Apply button. Click the spam link. Now let's delete the comment. Marking as spam disables the comment but leaves it in the database so that smart filtering plugins can use it in the future. Deleting removes the comment completely. Unapproving it simply sets it so that it can only be seen by the user who originally submitted it. To unmark a comment that was accidentally marked as spam, simply approve it. Click the checkbox. Select Delete from the menu. Click the Apply button. Click the OK button. Click the All link. Finally, let's edit a comment. Click the checkbox. Click the Edit link. Enter the changes to the comment. Click the Update Comment button. Now let's go to the site. Click the site link. Click the One Comment link. Congratulations! You now know how to manage comments in WordPress.